charter on the Never Enough Express today. Look at that double header. Nice. Captain Joe. Look at this. Fishing about an hour and a half. Two big baskets filled already. How we doing, guys? Everybody happy?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Come join us. 8 a.m., 7 p.m.